Hello and welcome to
A Couple Codes.
My name is Cody.
My name is Emily.
So we've been coding for the past 12 weeks. And the last video that we gave, we were on week 7. So we're going to give you an update on what we've been working on and our progress so far. So Emily, how far are you in the curriculum?
I am currently 23% through the JavaScript course, and I'm currently working on the to-do list app project. Where are you in the curriculum?
I'm 62% finished with the JavaScript course, and I'm currently working on the Battleship project. Definitely learned quite a bit, but before I talk about that, Em, what have you learned over the past month?
I have been learning about object constructors, factory functions, modules, and Webpack over the past couple weeks. What have you been learning about?
I've learned a lot about JavaScript over the past month. Async functions, APIs, data structures, algorithms, and test-driven development. Even started writing my own tests. There's also been quite a few projects. The JavaScript project definitely gives you a lot of practice in building. So with that, Em, what have you built over the past several weeks?
I have built an admin dashboard, a library, a tic-tac-toe game, and a restaurant website. What projects have you built?
I built a weather app using the Open Weather API, a recursive function, linked lists, binary search tree, and a script for finding the shortest path between 2 points for a knight piece in the chessboard game. As I mentioned, I'm still working on the Battleship project, but it is playable. You can play against a computer or a friend on the same screen. It was pretty straightforward, but there have been challenges. How about you? What kind of challenges have you seen over the past several weeks?
So part of the JavaScript course covers SOLID, which is an acronym for 5 principles of object-oriented design. So as I said, I'm currently working on the to-do list app project, and I've been working really hard to incorporate those principles into my code, which is challenging because I have to be more intentional about how I organize my code, and I can't just throw all of my code into one massive function. But it has already paid off. At one point during my project, I decided to completely change how I was storing data, and I only had to make a couple adjustments to my code for everything to keep running smoothly. So that was really nice. What do you think is the biggest challenge that you've faced since our last video?
So the chessboard project that I was mentioning earlier with the knights and finding the shortest path, that has stumped me quite a bit. Actually, I stumped myself a bit with that one. I chose the correct algorithm to start out with, but I added too much complexity. I added recursion and it just got all messy. So it took me 4 days to actually get it working, but you live and you learn.
Well, that's all that we have time for today, so be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to follow along on our journey, and please tell us about your own coding journey below in the comments.
Thanks for tuning in to
A Couple Codes.